Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a good week. The weather's finally sorted itself out here in Cape Town, so we've got a nice peachy day. But winter is definitely on the way with a little bit of chill at night. So yeah, not looking forward to that. Although I do like the winter, but I don't like the rain in Cape Town. Today we are going to be doing a painting for my mum. She's just redone her kitchen and she's done it in a turquoise. So we're going to be doing a flip cup. The colors we're going to be using are straight turquoise, white and gold, and then a sort of aquamarine sort of blue, very similar to the turquoise actually, so not too sure how that's going to work. And we're going to be doing it on this little rectangular canvas today. And for this canvas we're going to need 2 cups to flip. So to get started, I'm just going to layer up the cups and then I'll cut back when we're ready to go. Right guys, there we go. I've laid up the cups. Haven't done them exactly the same, but obviously the same colors. So let's get them onto the canvas. I'm just wondering whether I need to do a drag or just a straight flip cup. Anyway, let's get it on and see what happens. Maybe a drag. I'm just debating whether to do a straight flip cup, but I think because they're on the edges now, I'm going to drag them towards the middle and see what happens. Right, those should be ready to go now. And get the paint down. And let's hope we get a nice turquoise blast for Mum's kitchen. Right, let's go. Right, there we go. Yeah, that's looking good already. Getting some cells coming through. Just going to get my gloves on and then we can start with the tilt. Right, there we go. Once again, I'm using the cardboard corner just to try keep as much paint on the canvas as possible so that we get a good amount of cells. Let's go with the tilt. Right guys, there we go, that's looking good. I just need to fix up the sides quickly. Right, there we go guys. I think I used just the right amount of paint because we haven't wasted too much on this one. And I'm sure once we start flaming now we're going to see lots of cells. Well, that's the hope anyway. Right, let's see what happens. Yeah, we're not really getting as many cells as normal, but I still think it looks really nice. I think the white is sort of breaking up the turquoise color, which is good. And I'm sure once we leave it for a little bit, we'll get a few more cells developing. But they are starting to come through here, so I think I'll just give it one more flame. Right, there we go. I'm not really sure why we don't get the cells like the other ones. There are a few small ones coming up. I gave the silicone a good mix into the paint, so we should really be getting a lot of small cells, but we're getting quite a few big ones. But I don't think it really matters. I think the gold coming through is going to look really nice once it's dried. And as we know, as it dries, that we're going to get more and more gold coming to the top. So I think it's going to turn out great once it's dried. And hopefully my mum likes it and it's going to go well in her kitchen. So yeah, there you go guys, that's it for today. Just a quick pour. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope my mum is going to like it. I'm sure she will. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I think we hit 350 subscribers yesterday after the last video, which was great. Obviously aiming for the 1,000 subscriber mark so we can start monetizing the channel and getting some money back for all the stuff that I've had to buy to fund my hobby. But yeah, if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and be one of the first people to see the videos as they come out. So that's it for today guys. Enjoy the rest of your week. I'm going to cut to the close-up now and I'll catch you next time. Cheers.